Hello, magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Ako'y kakanta, subukan ko lang kumanta kung medyo mag-practice lang. Kung ayaw niyong pakinggan ang awitin kong ito, wag na lang kayong manood. Ito na. Ang kakantahin ko ay yung Marco Season, ang susunod ay Kenny Rogers. Subukan ko lang kung kaya ko. Kayo na ang mag-judge kung ano man ang yung kung kaya ko rin. Ito na. Woman, I will love you always, and I promise I'll give you the best, my love. You mean more than life to me, and I love you more than words can say. You be the only one that I love you for always, forever to cherish. I want you close to me and hold you endlessly. I feel you go in my arms always. Yes, you are my sunshine. You are the reason I breathe for, and there's nothing I want more. I need you, I need to have you in my life. I want you always by my side, now and for always. Whisper the word to me that we will always be together. Just you and me forever. I want to spend with you, baby, my whole life through. Every moment I'm with you, always. my soul, my life, everything that I am, always. Thank you. Ito naman yung Kenny Rogers, She Believe in Me. While she lays sleeping, I stay out late at night and play my song. And sometimes all the night can be so long. And it's good when finally make it home. All alone while she's dreaming, I try to get undressed without the light, and quietly she says, "How was your night?" And I come to her and say, "It was alright," and hold her tight. And she believes in me. I'll never know just what she sees in me. I told her someday, if she was my girl, I could change the world with my little song. I was wrong, but she has faith in me, and so I go on trying faithfully. And who knows, maybe on some special night, if my song is right, I will find a way, while she lays waiting. I stumble to the kitchen for the bite. Then I see my old guitar in the night, just waiting for me like a secret friend. And there's no end while she lays crying. I fumble with a melody or two, then I turn between the things that I should do. Then she says to wake her up when I'm through, God, her love is true. And she believes in me. I'll never know just what she sees in me. I told her someday, if she was my girl, I could change the world with my little song. I was wrong, but she has faith in me, and so I go on trying faithfully. And who knows, maybe on some special night, if my song is right, I will find a way while she slays, while she's wait for me. Thank you. Maraming salamat.